Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and flavorful mixed sabzi, a perfect combination of vegetables, spices and rich flavors. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 cup of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 2 medium sliced onion and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add 4 chopped green chilies and saute them for a minute. Now add 4 to 5 chopped tomatoes, mix well, let them soften. Once the tomatoes are soft, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix well and let them cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add 5 to 6 sliced carrot, 4 to 5 cubed tomatoes, 2 cup of peas. Stir well to coat the vegetables with the masala, then pour in 1 cup of water, give it a good mix. Add half teaspoon of fenugreek leaves and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything well, cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, give it a stir and add 1.5 teaspoon of chicken powder. Pour in half cup of water. Mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. Once done, uncover the pan, stir it well. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Cover the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes. And there you have it, a delicious hearty mixed sabzi that packed with flavor and nutrients. Serve it with hot roti and paratha. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more delicious dishes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking.